Dynamic traits of winners in business. Normally, winners are those people who have put in their best in trying to undertake a business. They are normally people that work hard. The people that usually will sacrifice. They put in their time, they put in their money, they put in everything that it takes for them to succeed. Because it's actually each one's wish that you need to lead a better life, a life that where you have that laughter, you have the joy. That's why it is important that for you to succeed, you need to have certain skills that will put your business on board. As I've said that I'm Pashani Moyo, the author of the book called You Are Born for Business, which is selling on Amazon. And for those of us that have got PCs, those that have got iPads, they can buy from there. It is actually a good book. This is just an extract of what is contained in the book. Nevertheless, I've noticed that it is normally the attitude of a person that determine how a person should conduct himself in business. Not necessarily the education, it's not necessarily your personality, but what is important is you having that ability to deliver to the people. What you should bear in mind that you should remember that having a good education does not make someone to succeed. You know, we have a number of people that are not book smart, people that are not educated, but they just have a very humble education, and they're running very successful businesses. So it is not by having a BA or a PhD, or because normally people with the those degrees, they are more of living in a fantasy world, a world full of imaginations, and certain things at times they are not attainable. Because you see, people in society, they want a product that will solve their problem. So people are looking for solutions, they are not looking for theories. So it is important that as we share the ideas in terms of how people win in business, it is necessary to know that it's not by your education, but it's because it's by the ideas that you bring on board. It's by how best you understand the financial education. How do you manage the finances? Those are cardinal things that each one of us should be able to follow. I know that each one of us need to live. You need to live your own life, and a life of your own making is what you'll be in the future. Because if you depend on other people to do everything for you, then it becomes literally very difficult to be considered as a winner. Because if you are to win, even in a race, of course you need to put in your best, and then your mental fitness, so that even when you start a race, you have to run faster, so that you are able to, so that you can become number one. Because if you don't aim to become number one, then there's no way that you'll be considered a winner. In this case, there are certain traits that maybe are also important for each one of us. If you are to be successful, you need to have the powerful zeal to achieve. So that if you have that powerful zeal to achieve in life, it is important that you be able to focus on what you want to achieve in life. The other thing, you need to have the foresight. If you have the foresight, then you know where you are going. The positive mental attitude, I've always talked a lot about that. It's also important that you need to have that aspect. The other aspect that is important is which we overlook is the communication skills. At times we take it for granted that whatever I'm saying, it might be of help to my friend, and yet it might injure your business. So the other aspect, we need to be very resourceful. As an entrepreneur or as a person who would want to win, you need to be very resourceful. What are you bringing on board that will help other people? The other aspect is you should have that respectful attitude. The attitude in terms of financial discipline. how are you going to discipline yourself in terms of the money that you are making in your business? Because if you can't take care of the money, then it's as well as forgetting for you to be a winner. You can't be a winner in society. So there's also perseverance is also very important, because if you can't, okay.
Just warning.